What is going on, my fellow investors, and welcome back to another episode of Everything Finance, where we talk about everything money related, including the stock and cryptocurrency markets, as well as just going over some basic money managing skills. So, I'm coming at you today with another Crow video, and we spend so much time on this channel really talking about why I'm so bullish on Crow and how I just love the whole ecosystem and how it encourages you to lock up your Crow and stake it to continue accumulating those rewards and that passive income. So I figured I would actually make a little bit of a tutorial video that actually demonstrates to you guys how you can be the most efficient with your Crow and make the most amount of money from it. And the first part of this video really was the crypto.com Visa, as that is, in my opinion, the first thing you want to be doing with your Crow is locking it up for the Visa. And in my case, with the Jade Green Visa, we're getting that juicy 10% cashback, 10% stake rewards every year, plus 3% cashback, and the other benefits included. And the question then becomes kind of like, what do we do with that Crow that we've accumulated from the card? Do we just let it sit in the crypto.com app? And this is kind of going to be like a part 2 to that Visa review, and I'm going to leave the link in the description below. But the answer is no, we are not just leaving the Visa rewards in the app. We are going to go ahead and move them from the crypto.com app to the crypto.com DeFi wallet, where we can continue staking the Crow through DeFi to build even more rewards, okay? And this video is basically going to be just like a step-by-step tutorial on how you can simply transfer your funds over to the crypto.com DeFi wallet. For those of you who are unsure or confused, it can be overwhelming. So we're just going to go through it in this video so I can help you guys make the most of your Crow, okay? So first thing you're going to do is you're going to want to download the app, obviously, the crypto.com DeFi wallet. And then you are going to go back to your crypto.com app and you're going to open it and go to your settings. And in your settings, you're going to see a thing called permission. And once you've downloaded the crypto.com DeFi wallet and set it up and got your custodial keys, you're going to give permission to connect it. So it'll be disconnected. You're going to come here, give permission to connect. And once that's done, you can go on to step 2, which is to click on that. And you're going to be brought to this page here, which says DeFi wallet settings. It's going to tell you that your crypto.com DeFi wallet is connected. And then at the bottom of the screen, it's going to ask you if you'd like to send funds. You're going to go ahead and click on that button. It's going to ask you which cryptocurrency you want to send. So we're going to press Crow. Then it's going to bring you to this page, which is a 3-step sort of page. So step number 1, you're going to select your network. We are choosing the crypto.org network because that's how we're doing our staking. So there are other things you can do with like DeFi, Ethereum swap, and with the Kronos chain, but that's not what we're focusing on in this video. We are staking our Crow through the crypto.org chain. So you're selecting Crow. 2, you're going to put the amount of Crow you want to send. Here I put $1 Canadian, which is equivalent to 1.8 Crow, just as an example. And then 3, you're going to click that withdraw button. Okay, so now we are on step number 5, and as you can see here, we selected a total of 1.8 Crow, but after a fee of 0.001 Crow, we are left with 1.799 Crow, and it is going from the Crow wallet to the DeFi wallet through the crypto.org chain. Confirm. And you can actually see on the crypto.com app, if you look at it, and you go to your crypto wallet and press your Crow balance, it'll give you a complete history of your transactions right here. So these are just an example of some Crow transactions I've made in the past from my account to the DeFi wallet, just to show you guys what it looks like, okay? So then what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to open up the DeFi wallet, and it's going to look something like this. You're going to have wallet. There's actually 2 more tabs down here now that say buy, which allows you to hook up a card directly to the wallet and buy crypto with it. I haven't got that feature working for me. I don't think it works in Canada yet. And there's another tab now, decentralized apps. None of that matters. All that matters, guys, is this tab right here, this earn button in the bottom right. It's still in the same spot. You're going to go ahead and click that earn button, okay? And when you click that earn button and you have your Crow balance, it's going to show you what you are eligible to stake through DeFi. And so what you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and press Crow, which is saying it's offering up to 12.38% PA, okay? So now we're going to click. you're gonna input the amount of crow that you want to stake. So whatever it is, 100, whatever the amount is, you're gonna put it in, and then it's gonna bring you to this page, and you're gonna choose a validator. Okay, and it's recommended to select a validator with over 98% uptime for staking rewards performance and under 7% voting power to keep the staking pool decentralized. Okay, so they actually go ahead and select like the best overall one for you based on these conditions. Like you can see, some of them have higher PA returns, but then they have over 7% voting power, which does kind of like put it at risk of the staking pool not being decentralized. So they give you the curriculum here for what the best pool is. We're just going to go ahead and pick our first one here, Inf Stones, with a 10.52% PA, okay? And you can see I picked one crow just for the example, but they're going to give you this screen here. So 2 validator, Inf Stones, your stake amount, the network fee, the commission. That's it. Confirm stake, okay? So once that is done and you have confirmed the stake, you can actually go back and it'll show you your balance in the Earn tab. And it looks something like this. So it'll say crypto.org chain staking. It'll show you your balance. It'll show you your estimated annual reward of 10.52%, how much you have staked, and how much your reward balance is so far. And if you check like every hour, you'll see that it is constantly updating. You are just always gaining crow 24/7 passively, and you can then opt to claim those rewards whenever you want and just restake them in the same pool. So, I mean, guys, that's about it. This is probably one of the shorter videos. I wanted to keep this one short and sweet and simple for those of you who may be a little overwhelmed by this process. Once again, I am incredibly bullish on Crow and the future of Crow and the Crypto.com platform as a whole. And this is one of the many reasons why. So if you guys do need any help with taking taking full advantage of your Crow to earn that passive income, I hope this video helped. And if you have any questions, as always, please leave them in the comments down below and I will get back to everyone. And as for everyone that supported the channel so far, thank you. I appreciate you all. I hope you're all having an awesome day. And take care of yourself, guys. Peace out.